So kuna something ekumele ukuthi siye expect from you guys.
Yeah, my sister is hard.
I mean, ni lose everything.
Yeah, like vele sitshela ukuthi soyiqala
soyiqala kahle into le. Nginale track leli engilipromotayo. Bese na wakhipha ini inzondo.
Bathi yekinzondo ngoba manje intwana ngicayitha isikolo. Mpushi iskoroko.
That nigga. We're gonna drop those tracks.
That's it.
Yeah,
looking
so
forward to
like
that.
that.
If uzongaya leyo mali leyo ke manje after i-performance benivumelene ngemali engasiyo le anipa yona.
We start fresh, okay.
Wait.
Registration.
Visa. No.
Yeah,
so,
it is DistroKid.
Will you hit me? Can't we come and share hits? As you were the best. Bro, I'm gonna shoot it to Instagram. Put some money in it.